Less than a week from the first day of the traditional calendar school year, and Wake County is preparing for the return of students to the classroom. Tamara Scott joins us live from Apex, where school mental health professionals are gathering ahead of the big day. Tamara, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Barbara. Yeah, well, this year, mental health is a top priority for these school leaders. And so that's why they are extending that reach to their students by adding more mental health professionals and resources available to them. Now, this morning, those school leaders and counselors from all across the district gathered here this morning to talk about that new plan.
These things can come up at any time. And what I find is if you have a suspicion that something's going on, then you probably should act on it.
New this year, the Wake County school system is now offering in-school mental health services at 40 schools, provided by 16 therapists. This comes following last year when therapists provided 328 therapy sessions with about 6 to 10 students served each week at each of the 28 schools in the program at the time.
There is an increase in the need for mental health services from adults to students to everyone, really. And so when you, most of the data that we've looked at shows that there's been more suicide screenings, more mental health referrals.
According to the CDC, suicide is the second leading cause of death for children ages 10 to 14. Lizzie Gutierrez says these are issues she sees at school as a social worker, even in her young students at Green Elementary.
We might have children that may say that they're hungry, and so that might mean, providing them with a meal,
which could lead to something more.
We really try to work hard to remove those barriers because that can hinder their academic growth in the future.
Both say the kids' future and safety is their top priority.
And many of our students have barriers, to getting to appointments, being able to access the mental health services. And so school-based mental health is one of the ways that we're able to do that in the building, and they're not missing school time to be able to go to appointments.
And the district plans on extending that pilot program for on-campus mental health to 10 more schools before eventually going to all 197. Tamara Scott, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.